If your car won't start, and only a clicking sound is heard when trying to start, it is likely to cause by something that involves the battery. With that said, the first thing to do is to check your car's battery condition. Do this simple test to check your battery. Turn the ignition to the on position. It's the point just before you hear the clicking sound. Now, turn on the windshield wipers, let them go back and forth for about 30 seconds. The reason for this test is because the windshield wipers run off the battery when the engine is not running. If the windshield wiper operates slower than normal, or not operating at all, then there is a problem with the battery. In this case, check the battery. Open the hood of your car and locate the battery. Look closely at the battery terminals. If you saw a cruddy-like substance in the terminals, then the terminal is corroded. Corrosion prevents the flow of the electricity to the starter via solenoid. This is the reason your car is not starting. The clicking sound is coming from a device called a solenoid. When you try to start the engine, the solenoid will switch the starter on, which in turn cranks the engine. The solenoid allows current to flow from the battery to the starter. If the battery terminal is not corroded, then it means the battery is weak. Recharge or replace the battery. Now, if the wiper operates normally and is not struggling, then the problem probably involves either a bad electrical connection to the starter or just simply a bad starter. Make sure all wires and cables to the starter are tight and secure. If the wires seem okay, the problem is likely that your starter is simply bad.